Hi, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a completed build here to show off. I think this is my second time showing off something that's completed on this YouTube channel, particularly because this kit was a pretty easy build. The other one was easy. Most of the kits I'm working on are pretty difficult, to be honest, and most of the time I get bored of it and I box it up. Not because there's something wrong with the kit, it's just that I get bored, I box it up, and then I have other obligations. Anyways, so this Delta Plus Master Grade was a commission build, and the person that commissioned it kept it simple and not too over the top. Also, forgive me, my camera's not on tripod, and I'm filming this handheld just so I can get the shots better. I am on the floor, and the photo box is on the floor as well. Anyways, so moving on, the colors I went for on this build are exactly the same as the one you'll see in the box art. Let's see if I can show a better angle here. So around the entire mobile suit, it's in the blue that you see in the bare plastic. I just used the exact same colors that the instruction manual said. So if you're curious as to what colors I use, the colors will be in the link down below. It turned out pretty nice, very accurate. I also went ahead and did a little bit of highlighting on all the parts, so a lot of areas are pretty subtle in terms of shading. I think I like how everything turned out, so all I did was add a little bit of white to the blue, and then I just highlighted over the base blue. So what I did here was, first, the base color is painted on wet with a lot of leveling thinner. So the leveling thinner will let it dry slower. The paint is still wet, and once I apply my highlight, it will blend naturally to the base color, and I think I did a pretty good job. As for the dark blue, I believe that's the only blue I didn't use from the instruction manual. I just used whatever dark blue I had, mixed it in with the blue from the Delta Plus, and it created this type of blue shading, and it matches the suit overall. Nothing too special on the white. On the weapon, I did a little highlighting as well. I don't think you can see it because of the camera. I apologize. So yeah, overall it was a fun build. It took about 3 days in total to get the entire suit painted and put together. Why the video now is because I haven't had time to film this, and something dumb as not having an action base kind of delayed everything, and then I just got lazy afterwards. My client doesn't really care. She's not impatient. She just took a chance on me, and I delivered. While we're on the topic of this kit, I guess I might as well do a review. So, honestly, everything went well on the kit so far. With the only caveat of this kit are these ankle guards. The way it works, the way you put this is the centerpiece is one piece, and then these ankle guards on the side sandwiched in, and they also connect onto the frame right there, if you can see. And that thing always comes off. I highly recommend gluing that on to the blue part, not to the inner frame, of course. This kit is pretty unstable, primarily because of those feet. Even after painting everything with lacquer, tightening the joints, everything feels loose. I'm not confident in trying to transform this or do anything in any pose, just because the paint job is pretty nice. I don't want to scratch it. Overall, for what you're paying for this kit, I think it's about 50 bucks. This is a really fun build. There aren't many stickers. I believe the only ones are the eyes and the camera, and the rest are close to color accurate. Focus. To be honest, if you could find this kit, I highly recommend it. It's a great build. It's a great addition if you have a Hyakushiki or any of the Zeta Gundams. Alright, so I think that's about it for this video in terms of what I want to show off. I'm kind of sorry that it's not in any dynamic pose or in its transformation. I understand. This is a commission build again, so I'd rather not scratch the build, even though I've top coated it and did everything. It's just not worth the liability. Knowing that my client paid good money, and I'd rather not damage something that's already in good condition. Overall, I think this is the best way for me to show off highlighting again. I think with a year's worth of painting, I went from just normal rattle cans to just kind of experimenting with alternative techniques, playing around with different paints, seeing what I like. And so far, from this commission build, what I learned is that, you know, the craze for Gaia notes or any of those exotic paints, it's cool, you know, to have those exotic paints, but, you know, with some El Cheapo GSI Creos paint and some elbow grease, the paint job turned out pretty well. But yeah, that's about it. If for some reason someone's interested in a build or a paint job, I guess this could be like a first build in my portfolio, if you will. Later on, I will attach some photos, maybe post it down in the description below. But yeah, so like, share, comment, subscribe, do anything that helps my channel. I like doing this stuff for fun, even though I have a full-time career. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.